Imagine waking up each morning, your first thoughts consumed by the relentless pain in your back. This was the reality for a 37-year-old man who was ensnared in the grip of chronic back pain. Each day was a battle, a struggle against a relentless enemy that never seemed to tire. The pain was a constant, unwanted companion, seeping into every aspect of his life. It wasn't just a physical challenge, but an emotional one too, as he navigated the sea of discomfort that hindered his everyday activities. Simple tasks, things most of us take for granted, became Herculean challenges. Bending to tie a shoelace, lifting a grocery bag, even sitting for extended periods, all were tainted by the persistent pain that seemed determined to dictate the terms of his life. But he had a choice. He could either surrender to the pain or rise above it. He chose the latter. He made a decision. He decided not to let back pain define his life. He looked at his reflection and saw a fighter, not a victim. He knew it was going to be a tough battle, but he was ready to face it head-on. His spirit was unyielding, his determination unwavering. With a newfound resolve, he started researching, exploring every possible avenue to manage his pain. He delved into medical journals and countless online resources. He sought advice from professionals, listened to the stories of those who had walked this path before him. He asked himself, surely there could be other ways aside from painkillers? Stretching and exercise, he found, could be his ally in this fight. Despite the initial wave of doubt and fear, he decided to take that leap of faith. He decided to trust the power of movement, to believe in its potential to transform his life. He was ready to embark on his journey towards a stronger back. The road to recovery was never going to be easy, but he was determined. The first step was understanding that this wasn't a sprint, but a marathon. Each day he would start with gentle stretches, warming up his body, preparing it for the journey ahead. Initially, the workouts were tough and painful. His muscles, unaccustomed to the strain, would scream in protest. But, he persisted, driven by the belief that every struggle is a step towards victory. Gradually, he introduced core strengthening exercises into his routine. From simple planks to yoga poses, he pushed his body, testing its limits, and slowly expanding them. Each new exercise was a challenge, but also a victory. A testament to his growing strength. As the days turned into weeks, he noticed a change. His back, once a source of constant pain, was starting to feel stronger. The discomfort was lessening, replaced by a newfound sense of power. With each passing day he was getting stronger, his pain was diminishing, and he started to reclaim his life. The journey wasn't easy, but his determination paid off. Now, he lives a life free of the shackles of back pain, engaging in activities he once thought were lost to him forever. His triumph isn't just about conquering pain, it's about reclaiming his life, his joy, his freedom. His story stands as a beacon, illuminating the transformative power of determination, resilience, and exercise. He overcame his back pain, not with magic but with movement. This story is not unique. There are people just like him, struggling with back pain. Remember, doing little things is better than not doing anything at all. Stretching and exercise can be a powerful ally in this battle. It strengthens your back, improves flexibility, and boosts overall health. It's not about instant relief, it's about long-lasting resilience. Start your journey towards a stronger back today. Remember, strength comes from overcoming the things you once thought you couldn't. But remember, surrender is not an option.